This is a video for question 2. For the first question, we need to find the density function and the distribution function of x. Because x is uniform in A to B, so the density function can be easy right. This is the density function, and this is the figure of density function. And for the distribution function, I think we can use this is the definition of the distribution function, because we have know the density function. So after doing this, we can easily get the result. For the third question, we know A equals to -1, B equals to -2, B equals to 3. So first, we should find the density function of y and the distribution function of y. And first, we need to discuss the relationship between y and x, and we know y equals to square of x. So when y is smaller than 0, the distribution function of y is 0, and when y is bigger than 0, the result is this. And so, but there is another question, is because a equals to -1, b equals to 3. So for when y, so that means that when x is from -1 to 3, y, the range of y is 0 to 9. But this is a function if y equals to in the range of 0 to 1, it means that there are two roots of y equals to square of x. So the distribution function of y, we can write this. You can see there are two roots. But if y is in range from 1 to 9, we can know there are only one root of the function between y and x, because when y is from 1 to 9, we can only cite the x can only equals to 1 to 3. We don't have the negative part, so for the when y is from 1 to 9, we can get the result is this. So this is the function of y, and then for the distribution for the density function of y, we can use this function. So when y is from 0 to 1, because there are two roots, so we need to use this function and get the result. When y is 1 to 9, because there is only one root, so we need to use this function, and this is the result. And after analyze the result, we can draw the figures of distribution function and density function of y. Then the last question is find the average number of y. So we can use this is the definition of ey, and so we can use this to compute the result, and the result is 7 divided 3.